How to convert Excel to Google Sheet. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So method number one we can do is we can open up a browser and go ahead and look out for Google Drive. Or you can also go ahead and download the application or open up the application, which is more preferable to you. And once you are signed in, the next thing we can do is we can just go over and look out for the new option in the top left and choose up the option for file upload. And once we've done so, we can just go over and choose up an Excel file. So go ahead and select up your Excel file here and wait for the upload to finish. Like this right here, for example, this one is something I've uploaded currently. So all you gotta do is select up your Excel file .xlsx or .xls, and you can right click on the uploaded file. After that, you can select the option of open with and go ahead and look out for the option called Google Sheets, this one right here, and the Excel file will now open up in Google Sheets. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, you can just go over and after opening up the Excel file in Google Sheets, you can click on the file option, open up the Excel file, and look out for the file option in the top left, and select the option of save as, and select up a location where you would like to save. After that is done, you just need to go over and select the option of .save as, and go ahead and select the option of save as Google Sheets. Look out for the Google Sheets option here and go ahead and select that option from the options and go ahead and save the changes like that. And that's it. What usually takes a transfer correctly are text, numbers, basic numbers, formulas, tables, most formatting, and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.